Today I'm going to show you the solutions for the cube and the sphere. Shape are different, but the solution is exactly the same. Starting with the cube, we need to find a piece that we can slide like that. It's easy, you just push off one of these till you find one piece that comes like that. And the puzzle comes easily apart. We have these two big pieces with two pieces like that. Two pieces like that. Two pieces like that. These two pieces. And finally these two. There will be the last piece to go. First, starting with the two big pieces, we just add a piece like that here. We just put these two pieces like that. We take the other piece like that, just put on the top, and finally that one on the top like that. One is done. We just turn the puzzle. Okay. Now we're going to take this piece and put the piece like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just turn the puzzle like that. And we just add the piece like that. And we should see some things like that. No. We have to push on this piece to have this opening on the side. And we can slide this piece like that. We take one of these pieces and we slide the piece like that. Slide that, and we push the piece. Come on. Like that. Okay, now for these two pieces. Just pull these two. And we need to go on this side. Just introduce the piece like that, we slide. We take this piece, just piece like that, and we slide. And the cube is solved. For the sphere, exactly the same. We need to find a piece can come easily. Donc, like I say, you just push on this till you find this piece, and the puzzle comes easily apart. Like the cube, we have two pieces like that. Two pieces like that. Two pieces like that. These two pieces. These two pieces, exactly the same. And finally these two. Like you see, very small cutout and like smaller than this piece. Okay. Same to solve it, starting with a big piece, with this one. We take this piece, put one of each side. Next, we take this piece, just put on the top. And finally, the other big piece that we put on the top. Oops, that's a bit difficult. Okay. Now we take this piece and we're going to put this piece like that. Same on the other side. Take a piece like that and we slide the piece. Now we push this piece like that, so we have an opening. We take this piece that we slide here. We take one small piece like that, just put here. We slide this one, and after we push all the piece like that. And we should have a big opening like that. Take the same, take this piece, just slide here, and finally the last piece that we slide like that, and the sphere is solved. Like I say, the shapes are different, but the solving is the same.